Hi, today I'm talking about a jewelry piece that I own from Roberto Coin. Let's begin. Quickly, for people who are not familiar with Roberto Coin, it is an Italian brand and is known for its exquisite designs, expert craftsmanship, and use of high quality materials. I didn't know about this brand until I accidentally came across it in the Bloomingdale's jewelry section. All the pieces look so well crafted and nicely designed. Honestly, I liked quite a lot of pieces from this brand, so I decided to give it a try. The jewelry item that I'm talking about today is from the Love collection, and I purchased it from the Bloomingdale's jewelry section. Here is the Roberto coin packaging that I got from Bloomingdale's. Frankly, not a big fan of this packaging. Let's find out what's inside this box. This has a very satin material and has the RC logo on the bottom of the box. Let's open this. This is the Love in Verona single diamond flower circle earrings. It took me quite a long time to become comfortable with such a long name, but aren't these beautiful? I find these earrings to be stunning example of the brand's expert craftsmanship and attention to detail. These earrings feature a delicate floral design with a single diamond at the center of each bloom. The circles are made of 18-karat yellow solid gold, giving them a luxurious and timeless appeal. These earrings are part of the Love in Verona collection from Roberto Coin, which is inspired by the romantic Italian city of Verona. The floral design is all about the beauty and passion of love, and the diamonds add just the right amount of sparkle. They are perfect for any occasion, whether you are going out with friends or dressing up for an event. These diamonds are approximately 0.15 carat and the earrings are approximately 20 in size. The backing has a post with cute butterfly claws. Interestingly, Roberto Coin signs his pieces with a small ruby casted inside the jewel, which comes in direct contact with the skin of who wears it. Nice, no? Let's try this. The yellow gold circles give a very bold vibe, and the diamond flower adds a touch of delicacy to the earrings. In my opinion, this combination of boldness and delicacy reflects the true persona of someone who is confident and also has tender heart full of love. They are so versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. For a casual look, I like to pair them with a white shirt or a colored collar shirt like this and high waisted jeans. They add just the right amount of elegance to an everyday outfit. For a more formal event, these earrings would look amazing with a cocktail dress. They would also look stunning with an Indian outfit as well. These earrings are priced at $2,950 excluding taxes on the Roberto Coin website. I bought it from the Bloomingdale's during the Black Friday sales event and I got a good discount. I am very happy about it. My shopping experience was pretty amazing. The essay at the Bloomingdale's jewelry store was super helpful. She answered all my questions with patience and let me try on all the jewelry pieces I was interested in. Overall, a very pleasant experience. Alright, so this is what I had in store for today. Hopefully, this video helped you in some way. See you next time. Bye.